I spend my years running after tomorrow, building castles from worry and sorrow. Then the wind whispers softly to me, the tree grows slowly, just like you see. I chased the noise until I became noise. I forgot the silence beneath my own voice. Now the sun reminds me every dawn, life keeps growing when the rush is gone. Lay down the burden, lay down the fight. Morning remembers what disappears at night. Go ikhutsa, come back home. Go ikhutsa, you're never alone. The river keeps flowing, the seed still knows. When I become still, that's where life grows. Go ikhutsa. My hands know soil better than gold. Every season tells the stories of old. No king eats before his people eat. No harvest comes from restless feet. The children learn what elders live, not only by the words we give. Truth grows quietly underground, long before the fruits are found. As above, so below,